Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to learn, we're going to be continuing our Know Your Chords with a minor ninth. And today you're going to be getting a bonus because after playing your minor ninth, you'll be playing your major seventh. Anytime you construct a minor ninth chord, you play a major seventh in a different key. So we're going to be learning these two, and I'm going to do the part 1 today, and then next week I'm going to bring you the part 2 where you get to learn all the minor ninth in all the 12 keys. Alright, so let's get on with it. So we're going to learn the minor ninth. Now the formula, the first time I showed you the minor ninth, we played the one, in the key of C. We played the 1 flat, third, 5, and then we added the ninth note here. So this how I showed you. I removed the flat 7th from it. So now we are going to continue. Now if I want to use my right hand, all the 5 fingers, I'm going to be playing 1 flat 3rd, 5th, flat 7th, and then 9th. Now as you can see, my hands are not that big enough to play the chords at the same time, and there are some of you who can play it with your one hand without having to strain yourself because you have bigger and longer fingers. So if you don't have a longer finger and a bigger hands like my own, what do you do? Now with this is a chord, so you can play this one with your left and then play the rest with your right. Now what happens is that if you're to remove your left hand from the C, you're playing an E major 7th chord. Yeah, E major 7th. So if I'm playing C minor ninth, if I remove the C and I'm playing it from the 1, 3, 5, flat 7, 9th chord, I end up playing a major 7th in the key of E flat. So this is how you do it. Anytime you want to play any minor ninth, for example, let's come to F. You count 3 semitones, 1, 2, 3. So I'll play a major 7th on A flat. Then if I add it, I get my minor ninth. Minor ninth. Alright, so let's start with A. Alright, so I just played the C, so let's move to the next. So this my C, and then I play the major ninth. Now okay, let's do the inversion first. This is my C minor ninth. You can invert it by playing this note here, so you get this chord. Now you can also invert it by playing this G here, and then you get this chord. Maybe you've seen others play this chord. So this is still minor ninth, and then I can play my B flat here. So I'll play this way. It's still my major seventh with the C at the base. That's for key C. Now, when I'm about to finish, I'll show you the progression that I was playing. I played it in the key of E flat.